Well, I've decided I'm going to go for a drive anyway, so I can upload these clips in the car. Because I'm filming now as if I'm not going to edit them, makes it a lot easier to film. There's the S8. How much battery's on it? I don't want to drain the big one though. 57's enough for a vlog. Right, let's I don't want to melt that yet. Let's put the protective case on here, and then I'm going to hang this over there. I can't move that tripod because that allows you on very temperamental. So basically I've got a hook. I'll show you. Got to be a bit careful. It's top heavy. So I'm just going to hook this up here, and then obviously whatever light comes in, the solar panel will charge it up. And because of the capacitor knots, I don't like that. Swing. I won't swing too much. Let's put that a little bit further that way. Swing, swing. Swing, full swing. Going to touch just a little bit. I don't want this damaged. Good bit of kit though, mate. I've used it for a while. So the solar panel is just to give it a little bit of charge. So adjust that just a little bit. I need to be a bit careful with the actual Alanzi. So if I just set this up over here, I think that should be enough. I think we'll just set the camera up. No. Keep it in the case. We're just going to load this up. Let's start the camera again. Please like, comment, subscribe, see another video.